chambers. Chamber number 1, chamber number 2, chamber number 3. Okay, before natin sudan na ito ang drop proper, mangyayangin ka sa drop supervisor, sir, kung pwede na ba sudan, okay, nara siya go sudan, sir, bali yung press the start button, then long press the release button. Okay, let's play Kariyahan Last Press Drop. Ay, kailangan yan ang balita ng mga produkto sa PCSO, yung publicity, slot press, video game, at yung ikalawang ng katama, yung informative game, at yung mga iba sa Friday. 6.2 every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. 6.45 every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. 6.49 every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. 6.55 every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Every Friday, Sunday. Okay, nakapili na ang winning combination. Ito ang draw machine. Ito ang first number, ang number 0. Ang second number, ang number 5. Ang third number, ang number 1. Number 1. Okay niya ang winning combination para sa 9 o'clock p.m. Kariyahan Lucky Tres Drop para Pangalawa, March 2, 2015. 051. Okay, congratulations sa panahon na ito. Salamat.